Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming your iPhone supports Esim and updating iOS. This avoids activation errors. Once done, get your carrier's Esim QR or activation code and connect to Wi-Fi or cellular data because the phone needs online validation. Make a quick backup and note your current SIM and line labels so you can restore preferences. Now open Settings and tap Cellular. You're ready to add an Esim profile. Start this step immediately to avoid extra carrier calls later. You will add the Esim profile by tapping Add Cellular Plan and scanning the carrier QR code. If needed, enter the activation code manually. After the plan installs, label the lines clearly, primary for main number and secondary for secondary use, because labels control how calls and messages display. Then decide which line is your default for voice and which handles cellular data. This choice matters for calls, iMessage, and FaceTime routing. Make sure voice and data settings match your carrier's requirements before moving on. You finalize by choosing how calls use lines. Set a default voice line for all outgoing calls or choose ask before using when you want a pic per call. Then test both directions, place calls and receive them, and confirm caller ID, iMessage, and FaceTime use the intended line so contacts see the right number. If something fails, reset network settings and reprovision the Esim, and if that does not fix it, contact your carrier's Esim support for activation troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.